Wix versus Shopify for e-commerce. Which is better? Wix and Shopify can both get a store online fast. The trap is that they feel equally easy at the start, then your needs grow and one of them starts fighting you. The better pick depends on what you really build. A website that happens to sell or a business where selling is the core. I'll explain the difference clearly and I'll hold one deciding check until the end that saves most people from regret. What is Wix for e-commerce, really? Wix is a website builder first. It's designed to help you create pages that look great with minimal effort, then add selling features on top. If your brand story, visuals, and content matter as much as the checkout, Wix often feels natural. For many small sellers, Wix is enough. You can list products, take payments, manage basic orders, and run a simple store without feeling like you need a technique. The key idea is that Wix is strongest when your store is part of a broader website experience. Think portfolio plus products, services plus a small shop, or content plus merch. How does Shopify work differently? Shopify is an e-commerce platform first. It's built around products, inventory, checkout flow, taxes, shipping, and the day-to-day operations of selling. Even when Shopify looks like a normal website, its engine is commerce. That usually means it handles growth better when you add more products, more variants, more sales channels, and more operational complexity. Shopify tends to feel like a business system with a storefront attached. If you plan to scale, test ads, manage lots of orders, or run frequent promotions, that orientation can make the experience smoother. How do they feel in real use and where people stumble? With Wix, the experience often feels design forward. You can move fast visually. The risk is hitting limits when you want deeper store workflows, advanced shipping logic, or more specialized integrations. It's not that you can't sell, it's that you might have to work around the platform as complexity grows. With Shopify, the experience often feels operations first. You can still make it look good, but the defaults focus on selling efficiently. The risk is overbuilding if your needs are simple. Some people pay for features they never use, or they spend time optimizing a system when they just needed a clean page with a few products. The most common mistake is choosing based on how pretty the editor feels, not on how your store will run on a busy week. The hidden trade-offs nobody mentions. One trade-off is control versus structure. Wix gives you a lot of creative freedom quickly. Shopify gives you a structured commerce foundation that's designed to be reliable under pressure. Another trade-off is how each platform handles change. If you're constantly tweaking layout and content, Wix can feel more fluid. If you're constantly tweaking products, pricing, discounts, and checkout performance, Shopify often feels more purpose-built. Also think about the work after launch. Customer service, order management, refunds, shipping updates, and inventory issues are where e-commerce becomes real. The better platform is the one that keeps those moments calm. The deciding check that makes the answer obvious. Here's the check I held back. Ask yourself, is my website the product or is my store the product? If your site is the main experience and selling is a supporting feature, Wix is often the better fit because it's built for flexible sites with commerce added. If selling is the core and you expect more products, more orders, and more complexity, Shopify is often the better fit because it's built to run commerce as a system. Pick the platform that matches your future workload, not just your first launch day. That's how you avoid rebuilding later. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.